Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of Webtoon for iOS and Android where you get unlimited coins. So let's get straight into the guide and I'm going to show you how to download it. I just wanted to show you guys right here my Webtoon coin mod. So the website we're going to visit is called hexmods.com. You can find it on both your iPhone and your Android. Actually no, it's called Zoomods, I believe. Sorry. So anyway, get to the search bar, type in Webtoon. As you can see, it says Webtoon mod. So you just want to go ahead and press on it and it's going to start to download. Now before this downloads, there's one more step. It's a verification. So basically we have to download two apps and we need to complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here. As you can see, alright, so it's almost done. Alright, so once it reaches, guys, it's going to bring us to that final step I talked about, which is the verification. So it's very easy. You can see it says additional files are required, but all you have to do is download two of these apps. Now the problem is there's a lot of people that will download two of the apps and will not read the instructions. So each app has its own instructions, whether it be download and run for 30 seconds, install, open and make a 30-second call, download and install, earn 5k coins. It doesn't matter, but anyway, just press tap to install. It will take you to the Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, it will take you to the App Store. You download the app, you're done. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel Webtoon, because I got so many Webtoon coins. It's crazy, bro. It actually works. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, tell all your friends about it because this is super cool. I've been on the hunt daily for Webtoon hacks and I think I finally discovered the best Webtoon mod. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it totally works. So I'm gonna see you guys later and tell all your friends about this method because it is super wild. And yeah, it fully works, guys, and peace out.